Children, what do you find? Good morning each and everyone. Today again, this is Shilpa ma'am with you with your grammar module. Okay, so for the easiness to learn the direct to speech and indirect to speech, the transformation from direct to indirect, I divided this module into three. In this first module, you can see that the structures of the different tense and their forms. Okay, then personal pronouns, first person, second person and third person. Okay, so in this module we are going to learn about the structures of different tense forms and the personal pronouns. So let's go. Children, do you know what is the secret behind this to learn the structure of different tense forms? Because it is indeed while transforming from direct to indirect speech. Okay, for this you have to and you must learn the structure of the different forms in a simple way. That's what I'm going to discuss in this module. So you have to listen very carefully, then only it is easy and it will helpful for you. Okay, then come, let's go together. Children, I told you that we have three tenses in English grammar. Can you please tell me what are the three tenses? Yes, present tense, past tense and future tense. You might have forgotten the different forms of the three tenses and their structure. So let us recall what are things that you have learned in your previous classes. That's just I am going to revise it here. Okay, because our intention to discuss and to learn about the direct speech and indirect speech altogether, you can see that the reported speech. Okay, I was going to discuss about the present tense. As we all know that present tense. Okay, what is happening now? What happens now? Okay, so we have four forms of present tense. So just you need to recall and you have to save in your memory that this is structure of a different tense forms. Okay, so simple present tense, the first one is simple present tense. The structure of the simple present tense is subject plus verb plus yes or es. I'll give you one example. So when the subject of the statement takes singular, verb comes s or es. Along with the verb, what will come? S or es. I will give you the example. I eat an apple. In this sentence, I is the plural. That's why the verb first form it comes. Okay. So the next one is he eats an apple. He eats an apple. So along with the verb, what it comes when the subject of the statement takes singular, verb becomes s or es. Okay, the next one is, so simple present tense, we have different kinds of uses. Means you can express your likes and dislikes, you can express the universal truths. Okay, and you can say the habitual actions. Okay, so next one is present progressive continue or continuous tense. Okay, present progressive or present continuous tense. The structure of this statements or the tense form is subject plus the helping verbs of the present tense are is, am, are. Okay, then verb plus ing or ing form of the verb. So what you want to do, you have to keep in your mind only the structure of the tenses or the tense forms. Okay, so present progressive means the action what is going on now. Okay, so subject plus is, am, are, verb plus ing. I'm writing a novel. Okay, the next one is present perfect tense. What present perfect tense? See, most of the children you will have the doubt about this present perfect tense. I can tell you the correct definitions or how to express or how to say about the present perfect tense. Imagine yourself, your teacher has given some homeworks for you. The very next day, she came to your classroom and she raised a question towards you that, have you done your homework? What she asked? Have you done your homework? Okay, so this is the statement which says in the present perfect tense. Always your teachers are performing like a present perfect tense. Like, why? Yes, the action which happened in the past, because the worker has given by the teacher previous day. Okay, so the action which happened in the past, still it has the relevance. The very next day, the same homework has the relevance. So together you can see that the action which happened in the past, still it has the present relevance. Okay, in such case you can use the present perfect tense. Okay, so the structure of the present perfect tense is subject plus, even whenever you are writing any statement, what will come at first? Yes, obviously the sentence subject will come at first. Okay, so at first subject, then has or have. When the subject of the statement takes singular, you have to use has as the helping verb, or if the subject of the statement takes plural, you have to use have. They have, I have, we have, she has, it has, he has. Okay, so along with has or have, what can you use? Yes, you have to use only verb third form. Okay, verb third form is past participle form of the verb. Sleep, slept, slept. Teach, taught, taught. Write, wrote, written. So B3 is written. The third form you have to write or you have to use. The last one is present perfect continuous tense. The action which started or which begins in the past, still it is continuing. So present perfect continuous structure is subject plus has or have plus been plus ing form of the verb. What? Subject plus has or have plus been plus ing form of the verb. And two main things we are using in the present perfect continuous tense. Yes, the two prepositions. What are the two prepositions? Since and for. Now I am going to discuss with you the different forms of the past tense. Let's see. What we discuss about the simple past tense, the action which happened yesterday. Okay, so the structure of the statement is subject comes at first. Okay, the second one is the verb second form. I ate. I ate. Okay, because this is the did form. This is in simple past we are using the did form, that is a verb second form. So the next one is past continuous tense or progressive tense, similar as present continuous tense, but we have only the change in the helping verbs, that is was or were. In the past tense you have to use the helping verbs are was or were. Okay, so let's explain the structure once again, that is a progressive tense. Okay, so this is the action which is ongoing in the past. Okay, the structure of the statement is subject, then the helping verbs are was or were, then verb plus ing or ing form of the verb. Okay, so you can write that I was writing a novel, or she was writing a novel, they were playing football. Okay, the next one is past perfect tense. Past perfect tense I need to explain, that's why I leave the space over here. Okay, so past perfect tense, the structure of the past perfect tense is subject plus had plus V3, but we want to know about the past perfect tense very detailed. Okay, so in the case of past perfect tense, we can normally use that the structure subjects along with the helping verb had plus V3. Always in the perfect tense we have to use, or you have to use only the verb third form. Okay, so past perfect tense, I tell you, it has two actions. It has two actions. Okay, the primary action and the secondary action. The action which happened in the past before the event happened. I'll give you the example. When I reached the railway station, when I reached the station or railway station, the train had left. The train had left. Listen to me very carefully. Okay, so when I reached the railway station, the train had left, or when I reached the station, the train had left. Okay, what we discussed about the simple past tense, the action which happened yesterday. Okay, so the structure of the statement is subject comes at first. Okay, the second one is the verb second form, I ate. I ate. Okay, because this is the did form. This is in simple past we are using the did form, that is a verb second form. So the next one is past continuous tense or progressive tense, similar as present continuous tense, but we have only the change in the helping verbs, that is was or were. In the past tense you have to use the helping verbs are was or were. Okay, so let's explain the structure once again, that the subject comes at first, then the next one is past continuous tense or progressive tense. Okay, so this is the action which is ongoing in the past. Okay, the structure of the statement is subject, then the helping verbs are was or were, then verb plus ing or ing form of the word. Okay, so you can write that I was writing a novel, or she was writing a novel, they were playing football. Okay, the next one is past perfect tense. Past perfect tense I need to explain, that's why I leave the space over here. Okay, so past perfect tense, the structure of the past perfect tense is subject plus had plus V3, but we want to know about the past perfect tense very detailed. Okay, so in the case of past perfect tense, we can normally use that the structure subject along with the helping verb had plus V3. Always in the perfect tense we have to use, or you have to use only the verb third form. Okay, so past perfect tense, I tell you, it has two actions. It has two actions. Okay, the primary action and the secondary action. The action which happened in the past before the event happened. I'll give you the example. When I reached the railway station, when I reached the station or railway station, the train had left. The train had left. Listen to me very carefully. Okay, so when I reached the railway station, the train had left, or when I reached the station, the train had left. Okay, so both you can use the station or railway station, it doesn't matter. Next one is future tense. Simple future tense. The structure of the simple future tense is subject will or shall plus verb plus first form. Means almost all the sentence we can see that the verb first form in the simple future tense. Always we are using verb first form. I'll give you one example. Subject plus will or shall plus V1. I will go. I is the subject, will or shall, helping verb or auxiliary word, then go is the first form of the verb. Okay, so this is simple future. Next one is future continuous or future progressive. So in this case we are using B form. Subject plus will or shall plus be plus verb ing or ing form of the verb. That is the future continuous. I can tell you tomorrow by this time I will be traveling to Mumbai. That is the future continuous tense. I will be traveling to Mumbai. Okay, so the next one is future perfect tense. Always in the perfect tense. Which form of the verb we are mainly using? Yes, that's the V3 form. So subject plus will or shall plus have plus V3. Okay, so this is the future perfect. Yes, you can say that when your teacher is asking about the homework or your assignment, when will you submit, you can see the answer immediately, that with a perfect tense, future perfect tense, I will have submitted by Monday. I will have submitted by Monday. As the first person, second person and third person. Do you know who is the first person? Yes, let us check the first person as I, me, we and us. Then the second person is, that is you. That is you people. Okay. Then the third person is he, she, it, they, them, his, her, him. Do you understand? Yes, the first person is I, me, we, us. Okay. Second person is you. Third person is he, she, it, they, them, his, her and him. Children, I hope you understand the structure of the tense forms and personal pronouns. What are the personal pronouns? Okay. So now I am going to wind up the session. Next, in the part 2, we want to discuss about the transformation of direct to indirect. So till then, bye.